Hello, everybody. So we have bind the scene inside Unreal. So basically, we created all the elements. Of course, you can just go optimizing further, putting other stuff, modeling some additional element. I will just show you how to make the simple volume um, simulation that you can see at the beginning of the short movie and how to bring it inside the Unreal Engine. So we will just take the tapir so just drop down a geometry node. We want the tapir and this imported car, out car. Okay, so we just want an object merge to be the car. We want another object merge to be the tapirula. That are the two elements that we will need. We merge them and we want especially the car to be a little bit bigger because we will pick it, so we want also to cut. We can select 3D connected geometry and cut this. Okay, we want to pick it a little bit more, 0 0.3, 0 point. Okay, and how many? Let's check here. I think we can also a little bit from polygon 0.5. So we can do 0.5. We can pick at 0.3. Okay, and we can really convert to polygon. We can also move a little bit. This. Okay. Not too much, probably. Okay. Okay. So this is, we can do the same here, probably. Okay. So this is our collider. And now we want to make a grill. Will be here. And 8, let's say. Okay, we want it to be 2 by 2, and we want to resample it. We can template that and be here. So we want to, no, sorry, not resample, remesh. Probably a little bit more. Okay, and we want a vellum configure cloth. Together with vellum source. Sorry, vellum solver. We should start from the beginning here. And we want ground position. And let's try 4 substeps. And we want here to have the collision. Let's check what happened. Okay. We want the cloth to be uniform and uniform, let's say 5. Okay, so we have our cloth and it looks pretty well. Okay, now we don't want only the cloth, but we want the top viewport and we want a curve nerve, and let's do, let's say like that. Okay, perspective, we want that curve to be here. We copy it, this, sorry, we copy this here. Okay, we want to resample it. Don't resample too much because string becomes quite hard to calculate for vellum if there is a lot of points. So let's smooth to be sincere. Okay, and here we are. So we just put a group node that will be cloth, let's say. Okay, and let's put another group node that will be string, and okay, we have this, and we want that transform. So let's assume for now, let's bring to 400 and 400. Let's assume that for the first I just disabled the simulation. Let's assume that for the first 100 frames, so we want the string to go at it start here. So let's assume that it should go from here to here, and from here, because the simulation should uh, reach a state of balance. From here it should go like here. No, sorry, from here it should go like here. Or okay, let's see. Whoa. Ah, okay, just always keep in mind the real-time toggle, otherwise it's of course really fast. We want it not so fast. Okay, we want maybe like these two. Oh. This, let's see. A little bit slower. Okay, let's try what happens. So we have our simulation and we merge those. And first of all, we want, let's check, okay, we want a group expression of points, and we want pt num, sorry, pt num is equal num pt minus 1. We have this point to pin. So we want the cloth to affect the cloth, this. We can also say group okay to pin. So we have both here. We have the volume cloth. We want another volume constraint. And this will be string will affect the string, but we will pin the points to pin to match the animation. So let's check what happened. No, sorry, we are watching the animation. Okay, we want to watch the simulation. Why? Why? Why that? Ah, sorry, sorry. My fault. I disabled here the simulation. So cloth will be cloth, and constraints will be strings. We activate it, and let's try. It will take a little bit. And you will see that around probably we can just change this to be, let's say, no, let's say animation edit. Okay, see you in a minute.